Hey guys, so we are at the Gazebo Dhaba and it is near Takka. I wanted to take my parents out for a dinner date and Bumba Bhai has taken us to a beautiful place. This luxurious restaurant is situated just a few kilometers drive from Panvel. Gazebo, as the name suggests, is spread over a vast area and they have beautiful sitting arrangements. I highly recommend this place to kabab lovers. Once you go through their menu, you will just fall in love with the exclusive platters that they have. We ordered the mixed non-veg platter that had delicacies of chicken malai sheikh kebab, chicken tengri kebab, hara bhara kebab, chicken shami kebab, chicken galoti kebab and peshwari chicken kebab and 2 pieces of mutton. Oh my god, it was humongous. The kebabs were absolutely soft and juicy. So Bumba Bhai, how is the taste? My parents were also super excited and mom was like pata pati, which is a Bengali term for delicious. Sweet lovers, here is what Gazebo has in store for you. Varieties of chocolate, cakes, cupcakes and many more. Freshly prepared hazelnut, cheesecake, red velvet, butterscotch, chocolate, Dutch 500, black forest, my god. Mango almond, ras malai, blueberry, endless variety. We ordered baklava for ourselves, which is a layered pastry filled with nuts and sweetened with honey. Yay! So we enjoyed at the Gazebo Dhaba. It was so wonderful.